Bonjour et bienvenue à apprendre le français avec Lydia. Hello and welcome to Learn French with Lydia. Today we want to look at the four most basic verbs in French. So our French lesson 8 will be in two parts. This is part 1 of the French lesson 8 and we are looking at auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs in English are two. One of them is to have and to be. That in French is avoir. Avoir. The O and I's are letters in the alphabet. The O and I give us wa sound. Wa. Okay, so we are saying avoir. Avoir. Okay, to have. Then we also have être. Être. To be. We start by what we know. I can see in the present tense of the verb to have, I can say, I have one brother. You have a mango. She has a ball. Okay, so that is the present tense. Let's see all the personal pronouns. What format of to have do they take up in the present tense? So there we have I have. You have. He has. She has. The plurals, we have, you have, they have. The only difference there is on the third person, the only difference is on the third person singular, which takes which format? Has. The rest of them are having have. I have, you have, we have, you have, they have. But he has, she has. But now in French, each personal pronoun is going to take up its own format of this verb avoir, which means to have. Let's see. There we have it. Avoir conjugation au présent. J'ai. You read after me. J'ai. Tu as. Tu as. Il a. Il a. Elle a. Elle a. Nous avons. Okay, let me explain something there. So we have the word nous, and then the second word is avons. These are two words, one ending with a consonant and the other one starting with a vowel. So the rule applies that in French, when you have two words following each other like that, the first one ending with a consonant, and then the following word starting with a vowel. We link the sound, something we call in French liaison. We link the sounds. Okay, so there we're not going to say nous avons, that is wrong. We are going to say nous avons. Now read after me. Nous avons. Vous avez. Vous avez. Ils ont. Ils ont. Elles ont. Elles ont. Okay, so let's read that one more time now with the translations. J'ai, that means I have. Tu as, that means you have. Il a, he has. Elle a, she has. Nous avons, we have. Vous avez, you have. So this can be the plural of you. You, I mean, you are many. I'm talking about you, the two of you, the three of you. Okay, and in French we address people formally using vous. Vous is the most formal or respectable way of addressing people. For example, my student will refer to me as vous, not tu. Myself, I can call my student tu. Say tu as, blah blah. But if it's my student speaking to me, Uh-huh. Referring to me, they will say vous avez. Okay. Now, there we are right. Now, I want to give you an exercise, a simple one. Read that word that phrase on your own and then translate it. Uh-huh. Bravo. J'ai. It means I have. That one. Bravo. Tu as. Tu as. It means you have. Try it. Nous avons. Nous avons. It means we have. Now I want simple phrases here. I want us to read and translate the simplest phrases here. Okay? J'ai 10 ans. Okay? There in this we have an X and then on, starting with a vowel. So j'ai 10 ans. J'ai 10 ans. Start with what you already know. J'ai is yes, I have. 10 from le nombre. Which number was that? Great. 10. Then on is years. So in French, this is how we say our age. Okay? We use avoir to say our age. We don't use être. For example, in English, I can say I am 10 years old. But in French, we say I have 10 years. Okay? We move on. Il a une banane. Il a une banane. What we already know is il a. Une a banana. He has a banana. One more time. Il a une banane. Très bien. And we have another one there. Nous avons 2 sœurs. Nous avons 2 sœurs. Nous avons 2 sœurs. We have 2 from le nombre. Which number was that? Très bien, that was 2. Sœur is sisters. We have 2 sisters. Bravo. Now we move on to the next verb, to be. In English, this is how we use the verb to be. Depending on the personal pronoun that we are using, we are going to say I am, you are, he is, she is a girl, she is beautiful, he is tall, you are late, I am a teacher. Then to the plural, we are 7 over here. You are, they are. Okay, so we are seeing a different format in the first person singular and the third person singular. Then the rest are going to take a similar format. You are, we are, you are, they are. But I am and she is and he is. Also in French, one more time, the verb to be is going to take up different formats depending on the pronoun. Okay? There we have our conjugation of the verb être. Être. That means to be. Let's read together. Je suis. Je suis. Tu es. Tu es. Il est. Il est. Elle est. Elle est. Nous sommes. Nous sommes. Vous avez. Vous avez. Ils sont. Ils sont. Elles sont. Elles sont. Okay? So that means je suis is I am. Tu es, you are. Il est, he is. Elle est, she is. Nous sommes, we are. Vous avez, you are. Ils sont, they are, the men, the boys. elles sont, they are, the girls. Okay, so I want us to do a small exercise one more time here. Read that on your own and then try to translate it. Do you get it? Très bien. Je suis. Je suis. It means I am. That one, try it. Très bien. Elle est. Elle est. She is. And this one, bravo. Vous avez. Vous avez. What does it mean? You are. Now we have a simple phrases there. Je suis belle. Je suis belle. What we already know is je suis. So I am. Belle is beautiful. Tu es en retard. Tu es en retard. You are late. En retard is late. Elle est mon amie. Elle est mon amie. So one more time between mon and ami there. That is a consonant in mon, the N, then ami. So liaison that becomes elle est mon amie. She is, mon is my, ami, friend. She is my friend. Then we have nous sommes six dans ma famille. Nous sommes six dans ma famille. Nous sommes six dans ma famille. What we already know is nous sommes. We are six from the number six. Don is in, ma is my, famille is bien family. Nous sommes six dans ma famille. We are six in my family. Let's look at the word famille. I'm not saying famille, I am saying famille. The double L in French, the double L in French gives us the Y sound. Y, the Y. Okay, Y in French. So that is ma famille, my family. Nous sommes six dans ma famille. Très bien. Up to this far, you already know French, right? You're doing a good job. Now with practice and more practice, you will get there. Okay? I want you to go ahead and try this exercise. You fill in the blank spaces with the present tense conjugation of either avoir or être as the main verb. Remember, we said that the first question there, tu as, sorry, I'm already giving you the answer, but yes, the answer is from avoir, saison, because we use avoir to say our age and not être. Okay, now you try the rest 2 to 5. Okay, à la prochaine. Bisous, bisous.